Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are making a simple and wholesome lunchbox recipe which can be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. It is a peas pulao and is very delicious and can be given as a lunchbox item or even in regular lunch. So for this we have taken long grain basmati rice. This is half cup rice which we have washed nicely and soaked for about 10 minutes. Half cup of green peas. Both are equal quantities. Then we need half of medium onion finely sliced, half teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon oil or ghee, whatever you prefer, half teaspoon of shahi biryani masala. This has everything, so you can use that. And I have 1 bay leaf or tej patta. So now we'll start. Here I have taken my pressure cooker and I've heated my oil in it. So once the oil is sufficiently hot, we will add cumin seeds. And we will let the seeds splutter. And then we'll add the tej patta or the bay leaf. Just saute it a little so that it leaves the flavor in the oil. And then we add the onions. I have simply sliced the onions, but they are fine slices. Then saute them. You don't have to brown these onions. Slightly, once they start turning translucent and pinkish, that's when we stop. Now, once they look a little fried, we will add the peas. These are fresh green peas. You can also use frozen. So just saute these well. And now we will add our rice. And for half cup of rice, I have taken 1 cup of water. I added the water to it and I've mixed it well. And then I'll add the masala, which is shahi biryani masala, and the salt as per taste. So I've added it well. And you might also need, a tablespoon more, but this is usually enough for pressure cooking this rice. So we'll cook it for 1 whistle at high and 1 whistle at low heat. And then now it's cooled down. Let's see. See, it's looking nicely cooked. In all, it takes you anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes and it is nice and soft. I'm sure your child will love this for his or her lunchbox. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this recipe, and we'll see you again very, very soon.